The MPA program is an excellent program here at Belhaven. The program helps and develops all of our students to pursue a career in government.
So I'm currently the Constituent Service Coordinator for Congressman Michael Guest for Mississippi's 3rd Congressional District. I'm kind of split between, I do field rep work, which is community outreach, and then I also do casework dealing with veteran affairs.
The program also gives a great opportunity to our students to apply Christian principles to address social issues.
Belhaven did a great job of preparing me for my role, not only by putting me in the rooms where I was challenged and had to talk and communicate with people, but also doing from a Christian worldview and allowing me to go about my work and do it in a way that would please God and to help people around me.
It not only affords you knowledge and skills and abilities, but the program has courses that develop leadership skills, courses that address policy issues, courses that causes and give an introduction to public law, and then courses that prepare you for public speaking, and you may decide to go into the legislative area one day. You're prepared here at Belhaven to do just that.
Some of the topics we learn throughout the course translate directly to what I'm doing on an everyday basis.
I believe here at Belhaven University in the College of Business Public Administration, you can find your place, a place that will develop you and empower you to become that asset to your family, your community, and to the world.
Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it at all. It just takes self-discipline and a willingness to get it done.
So I invite you to get in touch with us. A stellar education awaits you.